Very good morning, dear students. Today we are learning about working of an torch. You all must have used an electric torch at home. So in today's session, we are learning about the function and structure of an electric torch. First, we will learn about the various components of an electric torch. They are case of a torch, battery, bulb, electric circuit, and switch. Now, let us learn about each component one by one. An electric torch has two or more electric cells. Each electric cell has a positive and a negative terminal. They are connected in such a way that positive terminal of one cell is connected to negative terminal of the other. Even in torch, positive and negative terminal are marked. Before placing an electric cell in a torch, you must ensure that positive terminal of a cell is placed along with the positive terminal of the torch. The torch gets the electric energy from these cells. The electric energy is necessary for bulb connected in the circuit to glow. Every torch has a small bulb connected in the circuit which glows to give light. The circuit of an electric torch is controlled by a switch. When switch is on, the circuit is complete and the bulb glows to give light. The components of a torch are enclosed in a plastic body called a case of a torch. Now let's learn about how torch functions. The best way to understand the working of a torch is to compare it with a simple electric circuit diagram. A circuit diagram in which the parts of the torch are represented by symbols. There are two electric cells, a switch and a torch bulb. The lines in the diagram represent the metal conductors which connect the system together. A circuit is a closed conducting path. In the torch, when switch is on, the circuit is complete and allows current to flow and bulb will glow. When switch is off, the bulb does not glow and we do not get light. When switch is on, the bulb glows and we get light. So this is all about the torch. Now we'll learn about conductors and insulators. What do you mean by conduct? Means transfer of something. So materials that transfer something through themselves are called as conductors. So it may transfer heat, it may transfer electricity. Here we are learning about the electricity transfer through the conductors. So here we are using word electrical conductors. But what does it mean? Yes, electrical conductor means materials that transfer electricity through them. Or we can say that materials that allow the electric current to flow through them. And so we call them as a conductors. Examples of conductors, what are they? We have seen this previous circuit. Here a battery is connected to a bulb with the help of copper wires. So here we have seen that The movement of electrons is from the negative terminal to the positive terminal of the cell. But actually what happens, the movement is from positive, or for convenience we are taking it from positive to negative terminal. So through which material this current is flowing through that circuit? Yes, correct. It's the copper wires. Electric current is flowing from positive to the negative terminal with the help of copper wires. So what can we conclude from this? We conclude that copper is the conductor of electricity, or it allows electricity to flow through it. Now, instead of copper wires, if we use thread, then what will happen? Is electricity flow through it? No, it won't. An electric current is not able to flow through a piece of thread. So threads are the insulators. How we can define insulators? Insulators are the materials which are not allowing electric current to flow through them. First, we learn about the conductors. Besides copper, which material can allow electric current to flow through it, or which are the conductors? Metals are all conductors of electricity. Copper, silver, gold, aluminum, iron, mercury, all these are the good conductors of electricity. Instead of copper wire, if you use aluminum wire, then also you will see the bulb is glowing. So aluminum is allowing electric current to flow through it. This area of bulb is also made up of a metal. So if we connect wire in this region anywhere, then the bulb will glow. It transfers electricity to the terminal of the bulb and inside. We can actually test any object for the conductivity. Now, if we break copper wire in between, then what do you observe? Is there any material to contact these wires? No, but here the air is present. Still, the bulb is not glowing. So, what do you infer from this? That air is a poor conductor of electricity, or it can't conduct the electricity. So, here air acts as an insulator. Now, if we take another material, suppose we have taken an iron nail and join at the both ends of that wire, then bulb will glow. Means it include that an iron nail is a conductor, or it can conduct an electricity. The electric circuit will get completed and the bulb will glow. So through an iron nail, electricity can flow, means it conduct electricity. We also know that human body is also a good conductor of electricity, and that's why if we are not taking precautions, we will get an electric shock. The electric current is flowing through our body towards the earth. Now, which are the materials which are not conducting electricity? Materials such as plastic, rubber, cotton, wood, they are not conducting electricity. So, they are known as insulators. Instead of an iron nail, if we use plastic straw, then electricity will not conduct through it. So, here are the some materials which are conductors and insulators.